Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felix and today we're delving in the world of 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃, a platform that claims to revolutionize your browsing experience by mining Bitcoin as you surf the web. But is it as promising as it sounds? Let's dive in. So, free Bitcoin in your browser, huh? 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 browser proposes just that, sparking intrigue and skepticism with its claim to mine Bitcoin for free as you browse the web, or pay $3.99 if you will use an app on your Android device. But how reliable is this service, and is it worth your time? So what exactly is 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 browser? In essence, it's a web browser that integrates Bitcoin mining into your browsing routine. No need to play games or watch ads, just surf the web and earn Bitcoin. Simple, right? But is it safe to use? Let's find out. One of the key features of 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 browser is its built-in mining capability. This means that as you browse, your computer is working in the background to mine Bitcoin. Additionally, 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 offers an affiliate program where you can earn even more by referring others to use the browser. If you're not sure or simply don't know what affiliate program means, then click on the link in the pinned comments in the comment section. Built on the Chrome platform, 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 browser provides a familiar browsing experience with added mining features. You can customize tabs, use secure search, and even boost your mining speed with the Cloud Boost extension. But, of course, with every opportunity comes risk. 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 browsers' reliance on mining can lead to overheating, especially on your mobile devices. And while user security is prioritized, the safety of the platform itself is a subject of debate. To start earning with 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃, you'll need to download the browser. Create an account and adjust your device's power settings for optimal mining performance. Withdrawing your earnings requires a Bitcoin wallet address and typically takes around 24 hours to process. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 browser a scam? While it's not inherently fraudulent, its profitability is questionable. Some users report decreased device performance, while others question the effectiveness of the Cloud Boost feature, as well as difficulty to cash out their earnings and therefore calling it a scam. Let's read some reviews people leave about 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗃 browser, as they are going to be a bit different than reviews on their official website. It's worthless. Whatever version you get, have and use. The fact that you have to restart the mining is ignorant. I can mine on other apps without restarting. In 3 days, I have made 6 cents using the app and using 2 phones at the 2000 hash. Don't let anyone, YouTube scam, tell you that you can make more hashes if you use the browse as an actual browser. It's a lie. The probability of making any real money with this app is like winning the lottery with all the winning numbers. Very telling, right? That was in February 21, 2022. Dear user, they reply, Please remember to activate your Cloud Boost every 3 hours to see better results. To help us evaluate the situation better, please contact us via whatever the address they entered. Let's see what else. February 11, 2024. So far, I like the pricing for their boosts. I was using another mining app, and they were legit and paid out, but I'd rather pay $15 a month to boost up a few extra cents to a few dollars than pay $50 as a startup investment. I'll change my review when I get to the payout threshold update. So far, I've invested $30 and have made almost $3 back as of February 11th, 2024. It mines slow without the boosts. Definitely cheaper. My other app was $50 for 1 hash. Only 40 cents a day. Another review, December 13, 2022. Pretty great. It does what it says it does. You mine crypto as you're browsing. If you don't buy any of the speed-ons, then it mines super slow. However, the add-ons are a waste of money because the amount that you can earn versus how much the add-ons cost are way different. If you spend $20 a month on this, even if you search with this app 6 hours out of the day, you would still mine $10 a month. These aren't exact figures, but this is my experience. In conclusion, while I don't think Crypto Browser is a scam per se, its potential for significant Bitcoin earnings is minimal. Its reliance on building a large affiliate network for substantial profit makes it less appealing for individual users seeking passive income. So, should you give Crypto Browser a try? Well, if you're curious about Bitcoin, and curious about Bitcoin mining and don't mind the potential, the drawbacks, and technical pitfalls, it might be worth exploring. But if you're looking for a reliable source of passive income, you might want to look elsewhere. In fact, I've got my favorite strategy that has been earning me $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and I want to share this strategy with you at no charge. Just click on the link in the description and enter your information, and I'll send it right over to you immediately. Check it out. You have nothing to lose, but definitely a lot to gain. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy browsing and happy earning. Bye-bye.